In this video, we are going to show you how to plan a product launch using Poppy AI. Now, we don't have the materials for it because this is a show and tell, so to speak. So open a new board, and you need primarily three things. You need two groups. You need to create two groups, and you need to open up a Poppy chat, right? To create a group, click this one. To create a Poppy chat, click this one, right? The very top and the very bottom. Now, when you create your two groups, you can rename it by double clicking this and then name this product media. So this is going to be the product and all the files, all the media, the videos, the marketing, the documents, everything that specific product for that product launch needs. So all the meat is going to be put in this group. And then the second group is going to be named brand voice. Now, brand voice, you're going to put here all of your brand. So your website, the articles that you have made, your social media posts, everything, so that when you connect both to your Poppy chat, first thing you need to do is prompt Poppy chat to study your brand voice by studying and analyzing the contents of the brand voice group so that Poppy chat knows your brand voice, how you present everything, right? Whether it's on social media or otherwise, right? And then afterwards, once Poppy chat has learned your brand voice, now you have Poppy chat study and analyze the product media files that are in this group, and just pretty much say, hey, I want you to give me an in-depth plan for a product launch, and then just put the information, the date, the website, the social media platforms, everything, all the information there. It's going to give you a rundown of how to go about things. And it might even ask you questions on what do you need. Like, you can actually do more, and what do you want me to do? So Poppy Chat is very dynamic when it comes to that. But then again, prompt properly, make it as clear as possible, make it as detailed as possible, because just like any other AI, it can hallucinate. So again, all dependent on the prompt, and there are resources you feed it, and that is how you do it. And if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link in the description below. That's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.